Good morning, children. Good morning, children. I am KSN sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant School. In previous class, I have explained topic exponents. Today also we have to continue the same topic exponents only. Exercise 2.1. See, fifth Roman. Find the value of m in the following. Find the value of m in the following. Find the value of m in the following. 2 power m by 2 power minus 2. 2 power m by 2 power minus 2 is equal to 2 cube. Okay. Children, observe here. 2 power m by 2 power minus 2 is equal to 2 cube. This is given. This is 2 power m minus of minus 2. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n if m greater than n. Okay. So 2 power m minus of minus 2 is equal to 2 cube. So 2 power m minus of minus 2 is equal to plus 2 is equal to 2 cube. Now bases are equal if bases are equal, then exponents also equal. Okay. That's why m plus 2 is equal to 3, m is equal to 3 minus 2, m is equal to 1. So this is the way we have to solve. Children, I hope it's very clear. Note down. Next, one more problem. B. 3 power m into 3 power x by 3 power minus 3 is equal to 3 power 18. Okay. 3 power m into 3 power 6 is equal to 3 power 18 into 3 power minus 3. Cross multiplication method I did. Okay. Next, we know that a power n into a power n is equal to a power n plus n. That is equal to 3 power m plus 6. That is equal to 3 power 18 plus minus 3. Now 3 power m plus 6 is equal to 3 power 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. Plus into minus minus, 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. Now if bases are equal, then exponents also equal. Therefore, m plus 6 is equal to 15. Then m is equal to 15 minus 6, m is equal to 9. So, this is the B sum solution. Okay, children, note down. Next, in the same way, you can do C sum also. So, this one you do homework. Okay, next. Next, 6th Roman. By what number children, note down this one. Next, by what number should by what number should minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 3 be divided, and then so that the quotient is 9 by 8 whole power minus 2. Okay. Then by what number should minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 3 be divided? So let the required number be x. So minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 3 divided by x is equal to minus 9 by 8 whole power minus 2. Okay. Next. So that is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 3 is equal to x into minus 9 by 8 whole power minus 2. This is, we can write minus 2 by 3, instead of minus 2 by 3, what I am writing, minus 3 by 2. This minus 3, it will become plus 3 exponent. Negative exponent, it will become positive exponent, is equal to x into this minus 9 by 8, it will become plus 9 by 8. Then the exponent, negative exponent minus 2, it will become plus 2. Okay. Now instead of minus 9 by 8, I wrote instead of minus 9 by 8, I wrote minus 8 by 9. Okay. Then negative exponent minus 2, it will become plus 2. Okay. Now this is minus 3 by 2 whole cube by minus 8 by 9 whole square is equal to x. Okay, next say now minus 3 by 2 whole cube means minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. Okay, next minus 8 by 9 minus 8 by 9 whole square. So minus 8 by 9 whole square means, okay, this is actually it is in denominator. If we write in numerator, okay, we have to write minus 9 by 8. Okay, minus 9 by 8 minus 9 by 8. Okay, that is equal to x. Next, sin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times of multiplication, the result is negative. Okay, 5 times. Next, see, this is 3 square, then 3 into 3, this is again 3 into 3, this is again 3 into 3 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 8 is equal to x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 3 power 7 by 8 cube is equal to x. Minus 3 power 7 by 8 cube is equal to x. So in this way we have to solve this problem. I hope it's very clear, children. This is the sixth sum solution. Okay, so don't get confused. Here minus 3 by 2 whole cube. So minus 3 by 2 3 times. This is actually it is in denominator. Okay, where I am writing in numerator I am writing. Then minus 8 by 9 it will become minus 8 by 9 it will become minus 9 by 8. How many times whole square? That's why 2 times we have to write. Okay, children, note down. Next to seventh problem, very simple problem. When the number 144 is multiplied with 2 power minus 3, comma 12 power minus 1 and 3 power minus 2 continuously consecutively, find the product. That means 144 into 2 power minus 3 into 12 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 2. What is the result? That is equal to, see, we know that 144, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 2 36 ja 2 18 ja 2 9 ja 3 3 ja. So that is equal to 1 2 3 4 2 power 4 into 3 square. Next, 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, this one we have to use 144 2 power 4 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are, okay, 144. So 2 power 4 into 3 square, this is 144. Now this is 2 power minus 3, this is 12, That means 2 square into 3 whole power minus 1 into 3 power minus 2. So that is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 square into 2 power minus 3 into 2 power 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 2. So 2 power, this is 4 plus minus 3, this is minus 2 into 3 power, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So that is equal to 2 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. The final result is 1 by 6. Okay children, this is the 7th sum solution. Okay, next you do 8th question homework. Next verify the each of the following using the laws of exponents. Okay, this problem I will tell. Ninth Roman, 1 by 9 into 3 power 3x is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2. Just we should verify. Okay, it's in. So first of all, LHS is equal to 1 by 9 into 3 power 3x. So that is equal to 1 by 3 square into 3 power 3x. So that is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2. Next, RHS is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2. RHS is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so verified. 1 by 9 into 3 power 3x is equal to 3 power 3x minus 2, verified. Okay, so this is the A solution. Next to question B. B, 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 25 into 5 power x 1 by 5. Next, solution. LHS is equal to 5 power x plus 1. Next, RHS is equal to is equal to 25 into 5 power x into 1 by 5. So that is equal to 5 square into 5 power x whole power 5 square into 5 power x into 1 by 5. This is into 1 by 5. Okay, then this is 5 into 5. This is 5 power x into this is 1 by 5 5 cancel, 5 into 5 power x, that is equal to 5 power 1 plus x, that is equal to 5 power x plus 1. Now RHS is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. So 5 power x plus 1 is equal to 25 into 5 power x into 1 by 5. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Next to last question. See, 3 by 5 whole power x minus 1 is equal to 3 power x into 5 by 5 power x into 3. Okay, this question. Here LHS is equal to 3 by 5 whole power x minus 1. So that is equal to 3 power x minus 1 by 5 power x minus 1. So that is equal to 3 power x by 3 5 power x by 5. Therefore, 3 power x by 3 divided by 5 power x by 5. Observe here, 3 power x by 3 divided by 5 power x by 5. So 3 power x by 3 into 5 by 5 power x. Instead of divided by, I am writing into, multiplication. So that's why this one reciprocal, 5 by 5 power x. Numerator comes to denominator, denominator comes to goes to numerator. That is equal to 3 power x into 5 by 3 into 5 power x. So that's why this is RHS. This one equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS verified. Okay, children. In this way, we have to solve. Okay, next do 10th question homework. I hope it's very clear. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Now I will give you homework. Homework. Exercise 2.1, problem 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these problems you have to do practice. Okay, I will send the PDF file also. That also once you observe and write the classwork, and the same thing you have to do practice. Again in next class we will meet. Thank you.